Using the Dimension tool in Vectorworks, a single dimension can be done in just 3 clicks, either customized or to any of the major architectural standards. Chain dimensioning made it even easier, allowing you to continuously click each point on a multiple part of an object, or set of objects, that you wish to dimension to. With the Architect series, under the AEC menu, you'll find the option to dimension exterior walls. It will dimension the outside of any walls in your document, or any plugin object or symbol embedded in the walls. If you go to the AEC Dimension Exterior Walls, a dialog box will appear, giving you several options to choose from. In Vectorworks 2008, there's a new section in this dialog box labeled Options. In the Options section, dimension T-joins in exterior walls will dimension to the joining point where an interior wall meets an exterior wall. You can choose to make the dimensions associative, which will allow you to move or resize a wall without you having to go back and redimension your drawing. You can choose to dimension to the extents, the outside of the wall, or the center lines, the center of the wall, and to which part of the opening of doors and windows are dimensioned to, edge of openings or center lines. The text options will allow you to uniformly control the dimension text, but can be modified afterwards through the Object Info palette. Offset from building will determine where the dimensions will offset from the wall. The small dimension setting allows you to control whether dimensions are smaller than a certain size are shown or not. This can be useful whether you have small symbols inserted into a wall and do not wish them to be included in the overall dimensioning. If you wish to dimension all objects no matter how small, simply set this field to 0. In some cases, you may need to have more dimensions on your drawing than this tool will create. You'll see that all the dimensions are already selected, so if we choose to, we can change them from class dimension to class dimensions exterior. So if we want to remove them later, we can easily change our class settings to active only so that we can select just these dimensions since they're in this class. You'll note the red squares, which indicate the dimensions are associative. You'll see that if we go here to modify the walls, the dimensions will update accordingly.